As we travel less due to social restrictions, it's important to follow a few key steps to maintain your vehicle. Start and drive your vehicle for 3 or more miles once every 7 days to keep all seals lubricated and fuel system components operating free of restriction. Keep your fuel tank full to avoid condensation buildup and keep your in-tank fuel pump cooler during summer driving. Check your tire pressure every 15 days to ensure they are fully inflated. The pressure will drop due to the tire temperature being lower from less driving. Lower tire temperature makes the air denser and consequentially lowers the tire pressure. Turn on and inspect all lamps every 15 days to ensure they illuminate. Verify all underhood fluid levels are full every 30 days. Driving with low fluids may not change the operation of the vehicle, however, will create long-term consequential damage. Operate all windows all the way down and up to prevent rubber seals from sticking to the glass and maintaining good working order for the window motors. Have your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system scanned every 90 days to verify that no trouble codes are stored. Although your service engine soon light may not be on, it doesn't mean that there is not a stored trouble code. Your vehicle's modules require 2 consecutive ignition cycle failures in order to eliminate the engine light. If you have an intermittent component failure, you may not find out until you're on the road. If you have any questions or concerns about these topics, please reach out to one of our service advisors. And once again, thank you for choosing Sands.